kendai pungut ki pulit ophisar ka jingsha hi kai henepa Pynkup burom Conrad Sangma Kumba kendai pungut pulit ophisar ba kynthup ar ngut ki Deputy Superintendents of Police probationary R inspectors Sanpunriu sub-inspectors cadet but sangut ki assistant sub-inspectors cadet na ka than shatai lamingi mentakasi kila shapen ko buram ha umentri rangba ka jalau Conrad ke Sangma ha ka passing out parade hadin ba kila pendap ya ka jingsha ai jihi kai jang ka 53 batch of basic course ha North East Police Academy ka badan ha ka shnong omsa ha ribhoy na padeng kitay ki kendai pungut bala pendap ya ka jingsha hi kai Saupun riungut kidai na kajala Meghalaya ka kendai ngut na Manipur kat saungut na Assam bat kat wengut na Nagaland. Lasaki ru ha ka negasngi da ka jingdon lang u Dr. Celestine Lingdo MLA ka Umsning u Danesh Rana Director ka Nepa u bala shimru ya ka benta ban penmam smai ya kitay kendai pungut ki pulit ophisar shwa bakinlet ban ai jing shakri shakipat ba ki he pulit ophisar na kajala ki kme ki pa bat ki bahing asem jong ki te ki pulit bala pendap jing hikai bat ki we
term, he was elected as the leader of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance. He assumed office as Chief Minister on March 7th, 2020.
Celebration of their success. Leading the parade, comprising of 90 police officers, is DYSP probationer SI Ferry Hinge.
The fourth platoon.
उपस्थित अधिकारी, प्रेषक अधिराज अधिकारी, दीक्षांत परेड पर परेड निरीक्षण के लिए हाजिर है श्रीमान। जय श्रीमान।
Uniformed personnel from a cadet to an officer, and the significance and grandeur of the day gets etched in the memory forever. Today, we see these smartly turned out young men and women basking in the glory of donning the uniform, taking their first steps in the service of nation and humanity. Sir, it's a moment of proud privilege for them to have been trained in this prestigious Northeastern Police Academy, which was honored with the prestigious Union Home Minister's Trophy for being the best training institute at national level in the year 2015 and 16 and 21 and 22. The Academy is also accredited Utkrisht organization by CBC and NABET New Delhi in the year 2023.
Great sense of happiness and satisfaction to be part of the 53rd passing out parade of the NEPA, where all the young officers our DY, DSPs, our SIs, and other officials, other officers who have passed out today. I take this opportunity to thank our director for having invited me here to be part of this passing out parade. This is my second program, or the second passing out parade that I have had the opportunity to be part of. And hence I thank the director and the entire team of NEPA for inviting me to be here. I also take this opportunity to congratulate our young officers who have passed out today. I congratulate the family members. I'm sure that this must be truly a proud moment, not just for the officers, but also for each and every family member who is present out here today. NEPA has contributed immensely to the safety and security of our region.